Find all pairs of consecutive positive odd integers, each less than 18, for which the combined value exceeds 20. Okay, let us begin. So first we're going to suppose that the consecutive positive integers are x and x plus 2. And of the two pairs, we will suppose that x is the smaller one. Now, we will start applying the condition. It's given here that each are less than 18. So that means x is going to be less than 18, as well as x is also going to be x plus 2, the next pair, the next consecutive odd pair is also going to be less than 18. However, we don't have to use x less than 18 because this will simply mean that x plus 2 is less than 18. The logic behind this is we're considering the larger number to be less than 18. If the larger one is less than 18, then the smaller one, because x comes before x plus 2, it's going to be automatically less than 18. So we only take x plus 2 to be less than 18. Solving for x, we find that x is going to be less than 16. We keep this aside, and then we have the other condition. That means the combined value exceeds 20. So that means if we take the smaller value and add it to the next consecutive odd number, their sum is going to be always greater than 20. So we have 2x plus 2 greater than 20. 2x is going to be greater than 18, or we can say that x is going to be greater than 9. So now we have two inequalities. We're going to combine them. So this implies that x is going to be greater than 9 and x is going to be also less than 16, which means that our x value is going to lie between 9 and 16. Now, what are the odd numbers that lies between 9 and 16? The odd numbers that lies between 9 and 16 are 11, 13, and 15. Fine. So now we have found out the values of x. Next, our goal will be to find out the pair of consecutive positive odd integers. So that means if we consider x to be equals to 11, then x plus 2, that's going to be equals to 13. So that means one of the pair. So 11, 13 is one of the pair. It's going to be one of the pair which satisfies both the two condition. That means each of the odd numbers are less than 18, and also if we take their sum, 11 added to 13, that's 24. So 24 is greater than 20. Okay, so if we choose x to be 13, if x equals to 13, then the other number, x plus 2, that's going to be automatically 15, which means that 13, 15 is the other pair. If we choose x to be equals to 15, then what is x plus 2? X plus 2, that will be equals to 17, which means that 15, 17, that is also going to be another pair. So that means in total there are 3 pairs. Now don't get confused that we didn't find out x to be equals to 17. That's the value of x. We also need to find out the value of x plus 2. So x plus 2 could be 17 as long as it's less than 18. So 15 and 17 are both less than 18, and their sum, which is 32, is going to be greater than 20. So these are the 3 pairs of consecutive odd, the pairs of consecutive odd integers whose individual numbers are less than 18 and their sum is greater than 20. And the pairs of consecutive odd positive integers are going to be 11, 13. That's one pair. The other pair will be 13, 15, and the third pair will be 15, 17.